Alright guys, you guys know the deal. We're back at it. We're going fishing. So, it'll be the first real fishing of the season that is not on the ice. So, got GoPro. Hopefully we can get it to set right. So, you guys stay tuned. We'll get you guys all in flash. GoPro quit. Gotta switch her over. Sorry if you guys are motion sick. What in the world are you doing over there? Hopefully the wind's not too bad for you guys. It should be spooling right now, so it should be up against the banks or something. Let her sit. Just let her sit. Nothing. The heck? We're gonna have to change it. It's not on the dock. I don't know if you guys see that. We're on the dock. Oh, come on. Where are you at, fishies? Oop, not there. Don't want to go there. There you guys go. Let's get a little closer. Oh. Well. Uh-oh. We're stuck. Not a good sign. There we go. Huh? Well, I was trying to catch some kitty cats that are on land. Oh, maybe that's why my stuff's not reeling well. Or got a knot nest. I see that. Ooh. All right, let's try this again. Let's go deep. All right, let's change. Let's change something. Well, maybe we'll just walk around, change. Grab my toolbox, or my tackle box. Let's walk around here. Sorry if you guys are a little motion sick. GoPro quit working, so gotta, gotta do what we gotta do. So I see fish. Let's try it right here. My brother tried right there. I don't know if he fished over here or not. Right there's a fish. We might be going to look for sheds instead of fishing if we don't catch anything here shortly. Oh boy.
I know you're making up the truth. Why can't I go before I lose my cool? I love you even if it's difficult. Don't worry just because I need to leave. Don't mean I'm sick of us, of you and me. I'm just not good at showing sympathy. Give me a break. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. 'Cause I wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't mature. Not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I love the way you look me in the eyes when you joke up but can't apologize, 'cause you are too afraid to hurt your pride. I guess you were just so misunderstood. You know I'm never truly gone for good. If I could look inside your brain, you know I would. You know I would. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. 'Cause I wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't mature.
Alright, so we got the bass all cleaned up. We're going to make, what, you want nuggets or? So we're going to make some nuggets out of the bass. We've got some stuff that we're going to use, so we'll get these cut up and catch you guys in a minute. We got the bass sitting in the Frank's Red Hot. We're going to pull it out. We're going to pull it out, put it in here. It's already falling apart.
Does it?
Yeah. Alright. You guys stay tuned. Alright. So we got it all done. We're gonna double dip him. It's good.
Really?
What?
July 26th through 28th.
26th through the 28th. Text it. Have her text it to me.
Just text, You, which way you coming down?
Alright, so. Pull
3.5 hours from here.
all this off.
So it's like 8.5 for you.
I'm gonna double dip.
I bet you it is. What? No? What is it at now?
We're only doing a little. I'm ready. So it's not in between the legs, or land in between the line, like. We really mucked up the batter, so we're gonna just say it's good to go.
Do what?
Alright, so we gotta get the oil ready, so we'll catch you guys in a minute. Alright, so we got our oil finally finally warmed up. You got a strainer or something I can put these in to pull them out? Well, I don't burn my hands. Alright, we gotta probably do one or two at a time. She was a big girl, so she maybe not quite warm. Maybe not quite warm as what I thought it was going to be. Snakies! Or it is. I should be able to put all these in here. How long does it take for bass to cook? Till they float. You heard it. Till they float. So we'll catch you guys as soon as they start floating again. Alright, we got them out of the deep fryer. Some of them lost their breading. Still a little crunchy, so we should be good. Gonna let them cool off and catch you guys in a flash. Alright, so it's done. It's cooled down. It's time for my brother to try it. Our bass. How you got tartar sauce out for you? How was it playing? A little spicy at the end or no? Mav, you want to try a piece of this bass?
Oh, just by Bush Light.
We won't get that lucky. Are you coming or not, Terry? All right. Well, I'm gonna try some. I am going for this little nugget right here. From that reel. Hmm?
Could be away. Do that garden for you.
Got 2 more up there.
How many more?
All right, man. Grab some of this nice bass that we caught from a place that we could not film. So,
I tried to film it, I couldn't.
yeah. Where's Caden when you need him? He likes to put meat in his mouth. A little crunchy. It's a little chewy. The breading is. I don't know why.
One's overcut.
It might be overcooked.
Oh,
Who?
man.
Oh,
Yeah. Woke up yesterday morning and had a feather in my belly button.
all right. We're gonna finish eating this. We'll catch you.